In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer XLM from Binance to Stellarterm step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to your wallet and click Overview, click Withdraw, and then click here, type down XLM, click here, and then go to your Stellarterm account, copy the address, go back to Binance, and then paste the address, click Confirm. So you don't need to change the network because we are using XLM network here, and you don't need to type down your memo here. Then make sure that you withdraw a minimal amount of 40 XLM. So for example, I wanna withdraw 40 XLM, and then I will receive this amount of XLM. And then choose your wallet. So since I have my funds in funding wallet, I will click here and then click withdraw, click confirm, click continue, and you just need to go through security verification. So type down your authenticator code, the email verification code, and the phone number verification code. And then once you have filled up all this information, click submit, and then wait for the transaction to be completed. And then once the transaction is completed, go to your Stellarterm account, and you can see here your balance in XLM and the total value in USD. And if you have any questions about how to transfer XLM from Binance to Stellarterm, leave a comment below.